What's up na naman guys, for today's video maglalaro tayo nitong grow a garden at trading my huge pet and my griffin chicken zombie for butterfly. Need lang natin ng butterfly guys, kaya sinusadal lang natin guys. Kaya guys, please follow me or subscribe for more and exciting video. So yan lang po guys ang ating ito guys, chicken. Yan pong pinag-trade po natin sa mga tsaka po ito guys, griffin for butterfly. Tsaka ito guys, mga green bean para sa good offer, shekels or good pet. Kaya naman subscribe for more entertainment. Tsaka nga pala guys, rate nyo ang aking garden. Rate 1 to 10. So kung sino may mas mataas na rate sa ating garden, i-add natin guys at bibigyan natin ng reward. Ito guys, bibigyan natin siya ng ito guys, yan na lang guys, pamimigay natin. Ito guys, yan guys, pamimigay natin. Hindi po tayo guys nagagamit dito ng script, baka po kasi may magsabi po sa inyong using script yan, kaya mayaman. Trade lang po yan guys. Tsaka ito guys, yung golden goose po pala natin, ito po guys, giant bean golden goose. Tsaka yan guys, opera nyo na. Yan guys, opera nyo yan guys. Tsaka ito guys, yan guys, golden goose. Yan guys, golden goose. Finding butterfly for golden goose, 2 griffin, 3 chicken zombie guys. So yun lang po, hanggang sa muli, paalam.